Hi everyone, so in this video we're going to review the test score section of the UC application. So this section is made up of 5 different subsections. You have the AP exams, the IB exams, the English language proficiency tests, the international exams, and then the review section. It used to be called TEFL or IELTS, so you might see that in some older videos.
So you're going to report all the test exams that you've taken and the scores. If you have any AP exams to report, you're going to say yes. Then you're going to click on Add an AP exam. In my case, if you look down at the bottom, you can see that my exams have been completed. So I'm going to write in completed. I took my first one in May 2020, so I'm going to go ahead and write that in. The exam that I took is biology, so I'm looking for biology, and my score was a 5. So I'm going to say yes, I do have a score, and my score is a 5. Then I'm going to say save and continue. As you can see, I do have another AP exam to report, so I'm going to click on Add another one. This one has also been completed. I took this one in May 2019. This exam is the United States History exam, so I'm looking for US History. I did receive a score, and that score was a 3. You're going to do that for every single AP test that you took, and you're going to report all of your scores. You can compare the AP transcript to what I reported. All 4 of my tests have been reported on the application, even the one I got a 1 in, and I did my best to remember the date when I took it, so it was either April or May, but I have the year on that transcript, so I went ahead and made sure the year is correct, and then I did my best to remember the actual month I took the test in. When you're done with this section, you're going to click on save and continue to the next section. So in this next section, you will be reporting any IB exams you took. So if you took an IB exam, you're going to click on yes, and you're going to say add IB exam. If you completed or plan to complete the full IB diploma, you will check this box down here. If not, then you leave it blank. If you don't have any IB exams to report, click on no, and then say save and continue to the next section.
So in this section, you're going to report on any English language proficiency test you have taken or are planning to take. If you're not taking any, you're going to go ahead and click on no, and then you're going to click on save and continue. But if you are, you're going to click on yes, and then you're going to click on add English language proficiency test. You're going to report if you've completed it or you're planning to take it. If you've completed it, you're going to have a list to pick from. Which one did you complete? Once you select the test that you've completed, you're going to say what month you took it in, your registration number, and if you've received your scores yet. If you're planning to take it, you're going to select from the list which one you're planning to take, and then when you're planning to take it. When you're done, go ahead and click on save and continue. I'm going to go ahead and say that I am not planning to take them and move on to the next section, which is international exams.
Do you have any international exams to report? If you do not, you're going to click on no, save and continue to the next section. If you do, you're going to click on yes, and then you're going to pick what exams you have to report. If you don't find the exams that you want to report here, you're going to click on other, and then you're going to describe the exams you're going to report. For now, I'm going to click on no, save and continue to the review section. So now I'm just reviewing that all the information I have here is complete, and when ready, follow me to the next video on activities and awards.